In front of me is Doogee X100, and let me show you how to make your phone number private. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then find and select more icon, go to the settings and click on call and accounts. Here click on play, and as you can see right here you've got additional settings, you have to open them. Now mark caller ID and smoothly hide number. Once you pick it and it's set up, your number will be hidden and all outgoing calls. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.